How to download and install TikTok on your device. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and make sure that your iPhone or your device is connected to a proper working internet connection, as in order to download you will require the internet connection. Now open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for TikTok, and then tap on the TikTok option you see there. Here you will then see the download button. So if you have previously downloaded TikTok, you will see download button with cloud-like icon, and if you have not previously downloaded the app, then you will see the get option. So tap on the get option or the download icon you see there, and you might need to enter your Apple ID password. So go ahead and enter the password and then simply wait for the download to complete. Once completed, go ahead and tap on the open option you see there, and with this, as you can see, TikTok has been successfully downloaded on my device. So this was about how you can download and install TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.